Summer nights have a magic of their own: longer sunsets, warmer air, and a slower pace. So in today's video, I'm sharing a realistic and gentle summer night routine you can try as a teen, whether you're 13, 19, or somewhere in between. These tips are all about rest, recharge, and soft self-care without being too strict or overwhelming. So, grab your favorite drink and let's dive in. Welcome to my channel and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Create a wind-down signal. Start by giving your brain a cue that the day is ending. This helps your body naturally shift into a relaxed mode. Here are a few simple ways to do that. Turn off bright overhead lights and switch to warm lamps or fairy lights. Light a candle, incense, or use a soft room spray. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb or set a screen time limit. Doing the same small thing every night trains your mind to slow down. Keep summer skincare light. Skincare at night doesn't have to be complicated. In the summer, the focus should be on staying clean, hydrated, and letting your skin breathe. A great 3-step routine looks like this. Cleanse with a gentle face wash to remove sweat and oil. Tone or mist. Something refreshing, especially if it's been in the fridge. Moisturize lightly. Gel creams work great in humid weather. If you want to add a little luxury, use a cold jade roller or gua sha, especially under your eyes or jawline. Choose comfy, breathable clothes. Your night routine should feel like a soft hug, and that starts with what you wear. In summer, breathable clothes are a must. Look for cotton tank tops, oversized t-shirts, or loose pajamas. Doing a quick 2-minute stretch before bed can also help release tension from the day. Make space for quiet hobbies. Even 15 minutes of a calming hobby can reset your whole night. Try one of these. Reading a book that makes you feel good. Journaling your thoughts or writing one line about your day. Drawing, coloring, or making mood boards on Pinterest. Listening to music, lo-fi beats, or nature sounds. This is the time to fill your cup, without a screen, if possible. But if you do use your phone, at least switch to night mode and avoid heavy content. Light, soothing snacks. A lot of teens snack late at night, which is totally normal. Just try to keep it light and calming. Good options include warm herbal tea or warm milk, frozen grapes, banana slices, or Greek yogurt, cereal with almond milk, a square of dark chocolate with peanut butter. Avoid heavy or spicy foods right before bed. They can mess with your sleep. Reflect and reset. Before you go to bed, take a moment to check in with yourself. It doesn't need to be deep or dramatic, just honest. Ask yourself, how did I feel today? What's one thing I'm proud of? What's something I want to release tonight? You can write these down, say them in your mind, or even use a notes app. This small pause helps you go to sleep with a little more peace and a little less stress. Prep your sleep space. Finally, set up your space for better sleep. Lower the lights, use a fan, white noise, or a soft playlist. Spray lavender or chamomile pillow mist. Make sure your phone is charging away from your bed if possible. It's also helpful to keep your alarm consistent, even during summer, so your body doesn't get totally out of rhythm. That's your gentle guide to a peaceful summer night routine. None of this has to be perfect. It's not about doing everything. It's about choosing what helps you feel safe, calm, and cared for. Whether it's skincare, a cup of tea, or 5 quiet minutes just for you, you deserve that space. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you made it till the end, drop this emoji in the comments below to let me know. See you in the next video!